My dear technician, check this out. Camera, come close. Check this out. I posted this phone about 1 hour ago. Now it's working. My dear technician, now it's working 100%. It took me just 1 hour for me to fix this phone. Now it's working. You may ask, Father Joe, what was the problem of the phone? The problem of the phone was the backlight. There was no backlight. The phone turns on, but there was no backlight. There's no backlight, my dear technician. Now is fixed, okay? If you check here, you will see that some components are not available, and the components are the capacitors. The technician that brought this phone to me, he tried all his best to make sure that the phone works, but no way the phone did not work, okay? So they brought it to me, and now it's working 100%. I've replaced IC, I've replaced boost coil, have replaced diode and other components, the capacitors also. My dear technician is working 100%. I'll on and show you guys the proof. The video will be out very soon. I wanted to do the video live, but network is disturbing me. If you go to my YouTube channel and check, you will see the video. Okay, I wanted to do live. I even started the live video, but network disturbed me, so I have to cut and then do it normal. Later I'll post the video. Okay, I'll post the full video step by step how I troubleshoot and I finally fix this phone. Okay, check this out. So let me turn on the phone for you guys to see. Let me connect battery. 1, 2, ready, go. Check this out. It's working. You can see the Techno logo. You can see it's working 100%. My dear technician, some of this my video, I want to do it live. I don't know why network is disturbing me. I want to do it live and direct. Like, I want to go live so that you guys will see and believe me that I can do it. The only problem that we have here is IC. That's the problem. Getting the IC is the problem. But if we have the IC, I'm telling you that your work is as simple as ABC. Check this out. The technician that brought this phone to me was like, Father Joe, are you sure that this phone will work again? Because some components, they have removed it, and they have even scattered components on the board. How will you know where the diode was connected? I said, I will know. Now you can see it's working. Check this out. It's working perfectly 100%. It's working. Camera, come close. Check this out. It's working. You can see it's working 100%. Camera, show very well so that they can see. You can see it's working. It's working 100%. If you have questions, you're free. Let me know in the comment section. My dear technician, this video will be dropping very soon. I want you guys to see. This is what I can do. I do this every single day. Give me 20 of this work. My dear technician, give me 20 of this work. Let me off the phone again and on for you guys to see. Camera, come close. Let me disconnect. This is the battery. And let me do on again. Check this out. 1, 2, ready, go. You can see it's working perfectly. And these are the components. Camera, come close. Check this out. You can see the connection. You can see everything. My dear technician, this is not short circuit. This is not short circuit. Okay? This is something that is difficult to detect and fix. This is not short circuit. You have to understand the pulse width moderation. You have to understand the enable signals. Everything responsible for the backlight to turn on. You have to understand all of them. If not, you won't be able to fix this. Okay? If you have questions, let me know in the comment section, and see you in my next video. I love you all. Bye bye for now.